Now we have our curved timber, the next stage is we want to put some mouldings on this timber. Now what I've done here is I've drawn the lines where I want the mouldings to finish, and I've also drawn on the end of the timber here the shape of the mouldings I want. Now as this is a sill section that we're working on here, this is what it wants to look like. Once it's been profiled on the spindle moulder, we'll have these nice bevels here which are around about 9 degrees, which allows the water to run off the sill. You can't really work a curve on a straight fence, because if we do try and push it through, it rocks. So what we have here, we've produced a cradle piece. Now this cradle piece simply clamps on to the back of the straight fence using G-clamps or any clamps you have, as long as it's held firmly. That's what our cradle piece looks like. This cradle is the opposite to the sill section that we're working on. And it will move. Nice flowing action. And it cradles the sill. We're going to use this on the spindle moulder here. What we need to do is clamp it on to our straight fence. Make sure the clamp's nice and tight. It moves freely. We're nearly ready now to start machining our sill. Now this rebate block, it's going to take out the bulk of the timber. It's also going to be used because it's got a scribing head here. The scribing head is very useful for when we're cutting through this curve. It'll help to stop any splitting out. We've got our sill marked out, our curved sill. We've got some additional guides and fences here. These are simply here to guide the timber as we're pushing it through. Also to keep your hands out of the way. We're ready to do some machining. Now this is the first stage in our cut. The next stage we'll take out another cut up here, and then we'll move on to using a profile cutter which will actually angle the slope of the sill. I've changed the rebate cutter block into a profile cutter block, and we've already done some spindle mouldering with this profile block and slope the sill. Now I've just got one left here to do. I've done part of the cut of the sill. This is what the rebate took out earlier on, and now I'm just going to put this through the spindle moulder and take off the rest. top is there, a little more thing on the top there to finish the sill off, and it's all ready.